Welcome back guys to the amazing shortcut tricks in Windows. Today we will discuss 4 shortcut keys in Windows which help us to make our work easy, amazing and cool. Moving to the first command we have start plus V. When we use Windows start key plus V, it will open a virtual clipboard in front of our screen. Means the last commands you have or last text you have copied, it will it saves it and you can use it whenever you want while using Windows once. If you restart your PC or you shut down and again start the PC, it will vanish out, and it can also store photos, screenshots in its memory and you can use it anywhere you want. Next command we have start plus A, Windows logo key plus A. It will work in Windows 10 and Windows 11 and open the side menu of the Windows where you can change the settings like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, night light, focus mode, anything you would want. The options available on that, you can use that option with command start plus A. Next command and very amazing command we have control plus start plus L. Control plus Windows logo key plus L is very amazing command because it open the live caption of whole window. Whatever video you are watching, whatever video you are playing, whether it is your YouTube video, it is your document video, it is your file video, anything video or any audio you are playing, it converts the speech into text or and show the live captions on your screen. Whatever you are playing on your background, it will show that live caption on your screen. Windows plus control plus L is a shortcut of this. And again, the last but not the least command we have here in Windows is start plus I, which directly open the settings of your whole Windows where you can customize your PC according to your settings. Control plus I will directly make you to shift to the settings app. I hope you like these amazing tricks present in Windows. I request you to try it at least one in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 because these are very amazing tricks which fasten our work up to a multiple times.